Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Simplify. I'm very excited to be sharing with you the best AI PowerPoint makers that you can use for free to create a PowerPoint in just a minute. I'll be sharing with you starting from ChatGPT to SlidesGo to Canva and so on and so forth. So stay with me, let's dive right into it. So the first one we want to work on is going to be ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, what we need to do is to write a VBA code that we're going to use to create our deck. I'll be sharing this prompt that we'll be using with you. So all you need to do is to write a prompt, write me a VBA PowerPoint code. The subject matter is going to be the subject or topic you want to write about. And for us, we'll be using eco-eat, reducing food waste. That's the topic that we would like to explore today. So we have it there. And also we want to tell ChatGPT how many slides we want it to make. So let's put 8 slides, click enter. And in a minute, this is going to write a VBA code for us that we can run in PowerPoint VBA. And with that, we'll be able to generate our slide for us. Don't worry if you don't know about VBA code, which is Microsoft's programming language. ChatGPT is going to write everything for us and we're just going to run. Just follow me step by step and I'll show you how to run it. We have our code ready. Copy this code and then we can go to PowerPoint. Let's open a blank PowerPoint. Under this PowerPoint, go to Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. In this Visual Basic, you want to create a new module. Here, you want to paste the code that we generated, the VBA code. Just press Ctrl V to paste it. You want to click on the Run button, which is right here, and click on Run the VBA code. Successfully running the code for us. So click OK and let's go back to our deck to see what we have. In a minute, we have the PowerPoint ready. As we see, this is very basic right now. We have the text, but we can leverage the designer tab to make sure it looks great. The designer tab is right there. You can click on the designer tab and you can change this as needed to make sure it's aligned with your vision for the PowerPoint. If you want to learn more about the designer tab, click on the link below how to create a PowerPoint and use the designer tab to beautify your PowerPoint. The second one, we'll be using Canva. Canva is another free application that we can use to create our PowerPoint. So let's dive into Canva and see how we can generate a PowerPoint using this Canva. So right now we are in Canva. So in Canva, you want to click on the doc. You want to make sure you have your text ready based on our topic. So I've created some text that I will be using. We can copy everything at the same time and paste this inside Canva. So now that we have this inside Canva, go to Magic Switch. So we want to click on this Convert to Presentation. So you want to get started, click on that. Here, you can choose the design. If the design doesn't really match what you need or align with your vision, you can redesign it later, but let's choose one for now. So I'm choosing this. Once you choose that, you'll be able to see the preview on how it's going to look. So click on Create My Presentation. And in a minute, this already creates the presentation. This is a lot of text savvy right here. There's a lot of text here as well. We can edit as needed and also include image. And let's say we want to change the background. We want to change it to green. Highlight everything, press Ctrl and click on all the links. And you can change the color of the background to any color we want. So let's say we are going for green. So we click on green. And apart from that, a lot of things that we can do in Canva is to work on the design. So here in the design, there's a lot of things that we can change. You can change the text, you can change the background. And also we have elements here. Let's say you want to include different elements, you can do that as well. If you want to change text or the header, there's a different drawing that you can include in your project as well. Having said that, in order to convert this into PowerPoint, click on Share. You want to click on More, scroll down until you see Save. So under the Save, we see PowerPoint here, Microsoft PowerPoint. We want to click on Microsoft PowerPoint, click on Download, and this is going to download in a minute for us, as we see here. So we want to open it. We have it in PowerPoint. and we can go in the PowerPoint and design as needed. And if we need to add a picture, we can do that in PowerPoint as well. The next one that I would like to show you is Magic Slide by Google. In Magic Slide, we can also create a PowerPoint using this AI, which is amazing. When you go to magicslide.app, the first thing we want to do is to install this add-on. Click on Install Magic Slide. Once you install, we want to go to doc.google. Once we have it open, click on this extension button and we'll be able to see the Magic Slide application there. Click on Generate PowerPoint. This is going to open a PowerPoint presentation for us. On this Magic Slide, there's a few things that we can do. You can use prompts, to generate what type of presentation do you need. You can use Magic Slide to summarize. Maybe you have a text that you are trying to use, so you can use it to summarize. You can use text as well and also design. Today, let me show you how to use the text. Under the topic, we need to put the topic that we want Magic Slide to create for us. Let me copy our topic that we are using, putting the topic here. Under our reference, you can put any text that you have. For example, we have this bunch of text here, so we can put it to leverage on it. As you see, this is an option. So if you don't have anything, you can leave it blank as well. After that, we can choose any extra info that we want. Like, do you want it to use Wikipedia? So you can choose as needed here. Apart from that, it's going to choose image from Pixel. We have number of slides that we can create. This is limited to 10, but since we are creating it, so let's change this to 8. Let's say you have existing slide that has been created, so you can click on this so that the new slide will replace the existing slide, and the language has been chosen for us, which is English. There's a bunch of different things that you can customize to your need, so let's just click on Generate Presentation. This will take a few minutes to generate the presentation for us, and then we can customize as needed and moving forward with the next step. Our slide is ready. We have the table of contents. We see different image. If you think like the image doesn't represent what you need, you can change the image as needed. Keep sliding and you see it already creates the A slide as we requested. The next thing we need to do is to download this into PowerPoint. So what we want to do is go to File and click on Download. And here we see different ways that we can download this. So we want to click on a Microsoft PowerPoint. This has been downloaded for us, so let's open it in PowerPoint. We have it in PowerPoint right now, which is looking amazing and is very colorful as well. If you want to edit, just click on Edit and edit as needed. The last one that I would like to show you, slidesgo.com. Go on Create. And under this Create, we see our AI presentation maker. So click on this AI maker, click on Get Started. Here we have the box to create presentation. So the first thing, since we have the topic already, so we want to copy our topic and put here. You can specify the tone. Let's choose on Creative. And the language, since we are using English, so let's just leave it in Auto. And it already have 8 slides. And since we are doing a slide, so let's leave it there. Apart from that, in terms of style, it's asking the kind of style we want as well. There's minimalist, there's colorful if you really want your deck to be colorful, there's geometric, and there's professional. Let's choose on a colorful and see how it looks. I will choose this one, which gets my attention, and click on Generate Presentation. This is generating the presentation now. It will take a few minutes to create the presentation for us and we'll see how it looks. Now our presentation is ready. It's looking very colorful. As it said, we see different image, the topic and the headings as well. Different thing that we can do on SlidesGo is to edit our templates just the way we are able to do on Canva. Here we can change the templates if needed. We can change the text, like we can design the text the way we want. If we want to change the elements, upload a picture or use different picture than what we have in the deck, we can do it. And there's different things that we can do here. We can also do our presentation on this platform. There's a bunch of things that we can do on this. For now, we are good with what we have. So let's go to download this into PowerPoint. So we want to go on the download. When you look here, the PowerPoint is a premium option. Since I promised that I'm going to show you a free way to do it, what we can do is to download it as a PDF, and from there we can convert to PowerPoint. So let's click on PDF and click on download. Now we have our PowerPoint downloaded to PDF. which is looking amazing and the color is beautiful. In order to convert this PDF into PowerPoint, please check my other video in the description box below on how to convert PDF to PowerPoint. In order for you to select the best AI tool for your need, if you are looking for a straightforward tool with minimal learning curve, 𝗙liche will be the excellent choice for you due to their user-friendly interface. If you are looking into more detailed customization, Canva will stand out because of its extensive design tool and collaborative features as well. In terms of content generation, or detail is your priority, it's better you leverage ChatGPT along any design tool that's very effective for you. If you are talking about integration and sharing, SlidesGo integrates well with Google Slides, making it ideal for users who prefer editing and sharing with Google ecosystem. So in order for free access and feature, it's better for you to evaluate the free plan and limitation that we have for each tool. For example, Canva offers different robust features in their tiers, but they have a lot of premium restriction as well. So by considering all these factors, you can choose AI presentation tool that best fit your requirement, ensuring you create engaging and professional presentation efficiency. Thank you so much for staying with me today. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.